Hello, everybody. Sorry it took me so long getting this. I've been so swamped at the beginning of the semester. I apologize so much. I was asked a question. This is from section chapter 9, section 3, on how to do these type of problems. It it is pretty complicated when you read it itself, but once you see it, it makes lots of sense. Here's an example. In a baseball playoff series, the two teams are evenly matched. The two teams must play until one team wins 4 games, and no times possible. Use the rows of random numbers shown to approximate the probability that the series will end in exactly 4 games. We have two teams. We have Team A and we have Team B. So Team A, let's call those the evens. And then Team B will be odds. Evens are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Odds are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So each one of these numbers represent A or B. In order for a team to win a game, they have to win 4. So in this first one, let's see how many. Let's look at the odds. 1, 2, 3, 4 odds. So Team B wins the first one in 4, 5, 6, 7 games. Okay, we have 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 2, 4. So whichever odd or even gets first, 4 of them out of this list. So it's even, odd. That's 2 evens, 1 odd. 3 evens, 2 odds, 4 evens. So Team A wins this one in 6 games. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. So the evens win that in 7 games. There's 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3. There are 4 evens, and they win it in 7. So we're looking at whoever wins it in 4 games. Now, or just first I'll see what the odds are going to be. 4, 1, that's 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2. So Team B wins in 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Team A, since there are 1, 2, 3, 4 even numbers in the first 5, they win it in 5. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2. Team B wins that one in 6. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow. So Team A wins this in 4 games. 1, 2, 3. Team B wins that in 7 because there are 4 odds and 3 evens. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So Team B wins that one in 7 also. So I said, team must win 4 games to win. So they won this series. B won the first series. A won the next 3 series. Then B, then A, then B, A, B, B. Out of the whole series, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. B won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 10, which is 50%. That means A won 5 out of 10. They also won 50% of the games. So now let's see what the question is asking. Use the rows of random numbers shown to approximate the probability that the series will end in exactly 4 games. Okay, so these are all the games in each series. So somebody won this one in 7, 6. This is the only one that somebody won in 4 games. So the probability that somebody wins in 4 games is games. It'll only happen one time out of 10. So that's the probability, one out of 10. So the probability the series will end in 4 games is 1 out of 10. Let's do another one. In a baseball tournament, 2 teams exactly matched are paired off for the finals. The 2 teams must play until one team wins 3 games. As soon as the first team wins 3 games, they win that series, and no ties are possible. Use the rows of random numbers shown below to approximate the probability that the series will end in exactly 3 games. So we have to do as, in other words, the first 3 games. We know there's 10 of them, so the probability exactly 3 games, since there are 10 possible games, let's see how many times those occur. Odd, odd, even, nope. Even, odd, nope. Even, odd, nope. Odd, even, odd, odd, even, odd, 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 even, even. There's one right there. Odd, even, odd, odd. So again, it's the same thing. It only happens one time out of 10. So that's the probability that the series will end in exactly 3 games. It's 1 out of 10. Here's another question. Use the rows at random shown above to approximate the probability that Team B wins at least 4 games out of the series. So out of these 10 games, out of these 10 rounds, we're going to say that what's the probability that Team B wins at least 4 games? So it's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They can win any of those. So let's see who wins this first one. Remember, A is even and B is odd out of these whole games. So odd, odd. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 of them. So whoever wins 3 games first wins that round. Odd, odd, odd. So it's B. Even, even. It's A. Even, even. That's A. Even. That's A. Odd, odd, odd. Even. Odd, odd, odd. So they won the first 3. Even. So that's odd. So it's odd, odd, odd. Odd, odd, odd. So B won 1, 2, 3, 4 at the same time. Same amount. So 5 out of 10. So B won it 50% of the times. And A wins it also 50% of the times. Because what you would actually do with this, okay, we know that they win that. Since this question is asking, B wins at least 4 games in the series. So are there any of them that have 4 odd numbers in it? Only 3 there. Nope. Only 2. Only 2. 3. 2. 3. 2. So I'm looking for how many odd numbers there are. We're seeing at least 4 games. So the chance of probably a team B winning at least 4 games out of the series, since it didn't happen, it's 0%. So that's how you do it. That's how you read those charts and answer the questions. It's per each row. I hope that helped. Okay, good luck.